Processing
At your
the command.
service, sir. I'd be delighted to create a bespoke entertainment system for your man cave.
Alright guys, how did I get here? This is going to be more about demoing it in action than how to make one yourself. It was a lot of trial and error. So I'm running it off of a bat file to initialize this environment. There's going to be a lot of crazy stuff to pop up on this screen. It's going to take the entire screen, right? But once it's done, we're finally going to get to our awake word mode. And yes, it does sound just like a Jarvis, by the way. And we are going to turn it to offline, just so you can see this is a fully offline large language model. No internet. All right. Like I said, a whole lot of words, but it's low power listening for its wake word, which is Jarvis, design me an avionics circuit for my new suit. Okay, so it picked up a whole bunch of sentences that I had said. So I integrated text-to-speech and speech-to-text as well as OLAMA. This is running LLaMA 3.1, I think the 8 billion parameter model. It's quantized. And additionally, we're running on, okay, it's doing its thing. We have CoQui as the text-to-speech. That's how I was able to get Jarvis's voice. And we're using OpenAI's Whisper for the speech-to-text for my input. Just bear with us a minute. I don't have the strongest laptop. I'm running a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070, I think, in here. So it's doing its best. And here the GPUs and the fans and everything's going hard in there.
Sir, I've analyzed the specifications you provided earlier and have generated a schematic for an advanced avionics circuit that should integrate seamlessly with your new suit. The design incorporates a redundant power supply system, multiple data bus interfaces, and high-gain antenna arrays to ensure optimal communication and navigation capabilities. Here's the circuit diagram. Circuit breakdown. Einschwall. 1. Power supply. Dual redundant power supplies, SU1 and SU2, with 12 EV and 5 outputs. High capacity lithium-ion battery management system for extended runtime. 2. Data bus interfaces. Dual CAN bus interfaces, CAN1 and CAN2, for communication with suit's control systems. Dual Ethernet ports, S1 and S2, for high-speed data transfer. 3. Avionic components. Advanced navigation computer, ANKI1, with GPS, INS and terrain reference system. High-gain antenna arrays, Kaga1 and Hagergate2, for satellite communication and navigation. Note, I've assumed the suit's operating frequency to be in the 5-6 GHz Aegis range. Please confirm this information to ensure compatibility. Would you like me to generate a 3D model of the circuit or proceed with creating a printed circuit board, PCB? Design set.
That won't be necessary, Jarvis. Could you make me something for my man cave? All right. So he took my command from Whisper. LLaMA's processing
At
the
your
command.
service, sir. I'd be delighted to create a bespoke entertainment system for your man cave. What style and layout would you like me to design? Shall I incorporate any specific features or technologies to make it truly exceptional?
Definitely some avionics components. Give it a military feel. So it heard my command, it was listening for commands, it's processing. Right now it splits it into sentences. I tried to get rid of that. It's difficult to do. Anyways, guys, this is offline Jarvis. This is the AI assistant I think everybody's trying to make. I've dreamed of making this ever since I saw Ironman. And so now I'm messing around with this. I'm messing with other ones.
I've taken the liberty of accessing our inventory and designing a custom package for you. We have a selection of advanced avionics components from Ward Industries' latest R&D projects that would fit your requirements. I recommend our cutting-edge Aegis suite, designed specifically for high-performance aircraft. This includes an upgraded radar system.
I put my name in there instead of Tony Stark. I guess that might be kind of vain.
And threat assessment algorithms. Additionally, we're including a high gain.
I couldn't find an offline Jarvis AI assistant anywhere that actually sounded like Jarvis, that took your text to speech, or took your speech to text. Anyways, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. I worked really hard on this project. If you know someone else who's done this, let me know in the comments.
Estimated time to completion, 3